productivity. That is a primary reason.
If you really look at Industry 4.0, there is this networking and multiplier components inside it. If your company decides to get in earlier, you get to enjoy the benefit of the multiplier effect.
We are looking also now for new ways to innovate on the shop floor, new ways to deliver productivity and performance, and enable with digital solutions.
When you decide to do this transformation, there is still a whole lot of preparation work that needs to be done.
A lot of people also think that Industrial 4.0 is another something like ISO 9000. It's another thing that I just buy and install and that's it. These are all the misconceptions that a lot of people have.
What we did is actually we came up with a desired outcome. We implement the transformations by stages. We did shift our methodology along the way. We take the opportunity in these transformations to completely overhaul our infrastructure as well. So this has also become one of the key reasons our staff stick with us. So because of that, we also find that it's easier for us to actually attract younger talents to join us.